Hey everyone, I'm ready to show you about the thing I made last month or something. No, that's from last week. This is the water tower that I just added at the Colombia Pike in Laurel, not Laurel, Maryland. See, I just replaced these beacons into better ones because they're wrong. So let me show you on Google Maps. All right. I just show you in real life the l750s. Oh, all right. Never mind. That's one doesn't exist in real life, but it will exist in real life too. They replaced it wrong. See, I had to edit it out to fix that. So I just show you that I have to fix that. So I have to make it better. See, that looks nice, but it's wrong. Yeah. Can, don't you see that? That was that was the same as these over there. Now, as you can see, those are the right size as the 324s. Because that means 324s are replaced by L750s. As you can see, they're great. There are two of them. As you can see, I just have to replace them to edit them out because I need to replace them better. See, they're right. See, they're great. They're right. And remember, I had to replace them better because they didn't make it right. So that's why I had to fix that. Okay, guys? That will be this water tower for this location.